Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the behind the scenes stuff that went into making the quest for bonus break. So this is our main doc page that we use to kind of coordinate all of our efforts in the making of the game. Here we've got multiple pages made by different creators of the game. Got some images here showcasing off some of the game. We're not here for that. We're here for the background, the behind the scenes. So here is some of that. We have a story doc, a coding doc, and a resource doc. The story doc was basically just used as a doc that we could have all the story writers for the game work on, and they could kind of just develop where the story might lead to in the game. The coding doc was where all the code was kind of compiled, one might say. And where everyone just kind of posted their code to for completed things for just like movement or simple things like just shooting your guns and other things like that. The resource doc was more of a just almost like sprites type source, so that's where I mainly worked at because I was mainly on the sprite team. So I made a lot of the weapon models, of course. I made my own character model and other good stuff like that. I made some enemies in there as well. Here you can see we actually made a little checklist that for a timeline basically of when we needed to have stuff done. Not everything was finished in the timeline, but we're still kind of talking about making changes and little updates to the game as time goes by. So you can see here we got a working currency done. Skills grow functioning to an extent. There's still some little things we could work out with that. Basic GUI, and we had some other little things just going on around this. As you see in Friday, we just had equals merge day, so like everybody has to know that day was merge day. So then in here we also had some little ideas and storyline stuff down here as well. You just threw around some ideas to throw into the game possibly. It was just a nice little thing. So yeah, those are some behind the scenes stuff. I hope you enjoyed.